Because babies can only cry, laugh, or make funny noises, their facial expressions are extremely useful in telling us more about their reactions. These expressions give important clues that allow us to better understand an infant's behavior. For example, it is interesting to learn how infants might react to a sweet treat, like a cookie. Obviously, this baby really appreciates this tasty snack. Look at how her lip corners go up. However, this bite of spinach doesn't get the same reaction. Apparently, it is much less appealing than a cookie, though we can't blame her for that. To measure these facial expressions automatically, we have developed Baby Face Reader. The software uses the Baby Facial Action Coding System to describe specific movements of an infant's face. This way, you no longer need to do the observation yourself, which saves you valuable time and resources. Look, now she's playing with her mom while Baby Face Reader captures her expressions. Using Baby Face Reader delivers you objective and unobtrusive observations. You can gain insights into the effects of sensory or visual stimuli, and you could even measure the responses of infants during parent-child interactions. Baby Face Reader is the first and only software tool that offers these possibilities. Try it out for yourself.